I know I've been MIA, but you know what? I'm back and I'm better. So welcome back to Golden Girl Giselle. First of all, Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year.
2019. And today, my lovely guests are
Alex.
Danielle.
She don't really want me in the camera, so that's why you just don't see like half her face. But today we are doing a mukbang. Mukbang. Hold on, just bring it down here so they, you know, they can see the food.
Oh,
The actual phone, maybe. I don't know.
oh.
Okay, now we cooking. Okay.
Oh yeah, playing with the lights.
Okay, so we're gonna show y'all what we eating. I gotta have my glasses, you know, to eat. Okay. So we have like on campus eatery, so it's a place called Home Slice, and they sell
Shout out to
pizza
Home
and
Slice.
stuff. So I got pizza ball, which basically has pepperoni and cheese in it. And then I got fries, and y'all can't see it really good, and garlic parmesan wings. Blue cheese and ranch as well.
Actually got that.
Yeah, it looks good. Okay.
What?
I got fries.
Okay.
And I got, well, that's nasty. I got,
Oh, that's saucy. Hold on.
Right. Ooh, she about to be dripping.
I got hot and honey wings.
Mm.
But I only get the drumsticks because I don't like the
Comment if you like flats, because I like flats.
I like flats too.
I don't like
I
flat.
just stood my big head up in there.
Okay, what you get? Even though you know you're not going to get
So y'all can't see my face, but y'all, it's my food. Fries. And barbecue wings.
There it is.
So you know before we dig in, gotta get okay. We did it silently. Well, I did mine silently, so that's all it.
Yeah, I thought we was gonna say it out loud.
Well, why don't you want to get started?
Alright. I mean, short and simple. Let's go. Y'all ready?
What?
Oh, yeah, come on.
Okay.
Dear Lord, thank you for this food that we're about to eat. Bless the hands that prepare the food. And let us enjoy our meal. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Yeah, y'all, I'm starving. I had class today. 5:30 to 8:20. So, this is my first mukbang. I don't know what it's called. But, I don't know what we got salt. Y'all, I'm hungry, so I might got salt. Y'all just want like,
What you would? The food too good. Can't talk.
Okay.
Y'all heard that crunch?
What was that?
Oh, wow.
So, we're on our second week of classes. Last semester before we become seniors.
Yeah. I'm a fry. But I'm ready.
I'm ready to.
Oh.
Me too. I'm so ready for life and its adventures. Cause I mean, I feel like, okay, of course we like, this is an adventure, whatever. But I feel like it's an adventure with restraints. Cause I'm broke. I don't got no money to travel.
Right.
So.
It'll be nice to travel.
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite place to go?
Where's my favorite place to go?
Or does y'all want to go?
Oh,
My dream place is Italy.
My dream place
Yeah.
is Bora Bora.
Okay.
So if you wanna capture my attention, do a romantic gesture for me,
Okay.
take me to Bora Bora.
Period.
Y'all listening?
Take me to Italy.
Take me anywhere that's beautiful.
Yeah, I'm
I
big
want,
on
I want
nature.
somewhere beautiful as me, you know?
I'm big on
Okay.
nature. And like scenery.
Me
Like
too.
I saw this on Twitter and I agree with it. My biggest pet peeve is like people, you know, you go somewhere you never been before and you eat it like McDonald's. Like we got that here. Let's try something local, something that, you know, isn't like chain restaurants.
Yeah.
But McDonald's ain't the same all around the country. But I understand.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe that was
where
bad
you're
example.
coming
Like Chili's, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like that.
from. Like, let McDonald's be like the last day type of thing.
I guess I did a whole life update. I'm sorry to jump around. I ain't been up here in 3 weeks. Y'all, life really just hit me. That's the story time. But I'm back on track, doing better now. So I'm coming with the heat. I want all the smoke.
Period.
Okay?
And the fire.
Mm-hmm.
And the flame.
Mm-hmm.
How was your first 2 weeks?
Good, actually. I went to Zumba yesterday. But that's nothing related to class.
Oh, we've been on the road with the gym.
Yeah, and must be our cheat day because we can eat fries. We were doing good until now.
And they been on the road.
But no,
You-
for real,
You've been uplifting.
There we go.
okay, so I'm about to try these for the first time. I like blue cheese, so I'm doing my fries and ranch because I got a homemade ranch. I'm doing my chicken and blue cheese.
Good.
They like that.
I'm gonna have to get that down. Next time.
But it's
Yeah.
Main Street?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so rude. I don't need to be licking my hands.
Well, girl, that's the point of mukbang, I think. I think it's supposed to be like
They finger looking
ASMR.
good.
Look at it.
ASMR. We be watching them. Y'all watch Be Lovely. The girl with the the wig. I love her.
Who? Oh yeah.
Look
Yeah, I
at
know who you're talking about.
look at
Boy.
sauce. She be having.
I don't know, but she makes it.
But she
You
be
said it's a
going
bowl.
down. It's a seafood bowl.
Yeah.
Alright, girl. Oh yeah. We definitely gotta do this with like crab legs or something.
I don't like that.
What?
I'm weird. I used to not like cornbread.
What?
Cornbread.
Yeah, I used to not like that.
Girl.
I still don't like regular pound cake. Too dry.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel you on that. If I eat pound cake, I gotta have strawberries and whipped cream.
Put some icing up there, something.
Yeah.
Y'all eating and smacking like I ain't ate and I don't know how long.
We just got a class not too long ago.
And I just took a nap.
So, I had a class. I had 3 classes today. 9:30. And then my last one ended at, well, my second one ended at 12:15. So I had from 12:15 to 5:30, you know, free time. Went to the gym till 2. So I was like, let me take a nap, set my alarm. Tell me why I woke up, and I'm thinking like, why did I set my alarm to wake me up? I really forgot I had class. Like
But
today
see,
has
that's
been
the
long.
thing. That's the thing about the night classes. You will forget. I almost
Yes.
forgot about the Spanish class.
Mm-hmm.
When my friend texted me, she said, "You want to meet before class?" I said, "Huh?" I said, "Oh, I do have a Spanish
Yeah,
class."
you do be forgetting.
Yeah, I've been running late today.
Mm.
You've been running late.
Well, I've been on time, but I've been waking up late.
Well, I stayed on campus last night, so I would say really early.
Mm.
Like really early.
Mm-hmm.
What time was your first class?
What was today? Today was Thursday. So on Thursday, my first class is at 11.
So
And
yeah,
I got a
you
big break.
early.
And then
This is what the inside of this look like. Cheese and pepperoni. Y'all can't even see it, but it's good.
I'm so weak. And then my last class ends at 4:45. And then Mondays and Wednesdays, my class is at 3:30. And the last class is at 7.
Oh my gosh.
So your Monday Wednesday class late.
Y'all see this?
What did you do? But, oh, look at me. The line's a little.
I'm about to say, ow! I didn't even see nothing. But I was about to say, put my phone down.
Maybe I do need to come out.
So, since we... Oh, well, how was your week? You didn't answer the question since you asked the question.
You talking about me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it was okay. I'm tired of school already, but you know, that's neither here nor there.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, come on, Bella.
What y'all want to talk about?
The game.
What game? Oh, basketball
Who
game.
win?
I think so.
Was it girls?
Boys.
Um,
She in our class.
I know. I thought she just skipped the game.
You trying to skip game?
Student athlete. School come first.
That's true.
What you are? They don't be playing.
She just killed me.
It was too much. Do y'all want to? I mean, I would give y'all each one, but do y'all want to split one? You want one?
I don't know.
I'm tired of chilling.
Me too. Me too.
You get all this food and I'm tired of chilling after the first bite. Shame.
It's dead silent. I think we getting itis. But I swear, eating and talking get you full fast.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
When I'm by myself, I'm talking to nobody. I just be eating.
I be eating more food. I
Yeah.
just be eating.
Maybe we should do mukbang more because I'm not eating as much as I usually would.
Okay, I got a question. How's everybody's break?
Good.
What break?
The winter break we just had.
Oh, I feel like we've been in school for so long.
Yeah, I do feel like we've been in school for like a whole nother semester.
I'm like, it's still January?
Yes, it's still January.
I know, but that's what
My
my
break
mom said. I
was
like,
my break
damn,
was decent.
dang, it's still January?
My break was decent. Yeah, my break was decent.
Oh, why you say it like that?
So, I mean, I did go back to my summer job, but I quit. Another story time. Girl, they had me messed up. Let's leave it at that.
You told me.
Oh yeah. I said, who do y'all think y'all are?
What that period?
But I spent time. I think this break. I spent time with a lot of family
Okay.
instead of just sitting at home. I was up and down the road. Like people say, ripping and running.
Wasn't you in Winston? One time? Maybe you won't. Maybe you won't.
Not over break. She was in Winston. She got family in Winston. My family like towards Virginia and stuff. But yeah.
Oh, my stomach's on 10.
Yeah, since I've been working out, I'm telling y'all, summer 2019 is mine. I really need to lose some weight though.
Not just the summer, the whole year.
Like, so serious. But yeah.
Look at your eyes.
My eyes look like I'm getting sleepy.
There was something I was supposed to say, but I forgot. Food gets to my head.
Okay.
We went to Zumba yesterday. I think Bria just said that.
Yeah, I said, see, look. Yeah,
It was fun.
It was. That's what I was trying to say. My stomach been cramping
Ever since Zumba.
ever since I've been working out. Like, I don't know what my ass trying to say. Like, I'm breaking through, girl. I don't know.
Oh, weak.
But my stomach never hurt like that after workout. Like, I woke up, my stomach was hurting and my back was hurting.
You're doing something
I
now.
feel like I'm getting
And I've been having crazy dreams. But I think it's from that movie we watched.
What movie y'all watch?
The Autopsy of Jane Doe
Y'all can add that by yourself.
and Hush. If y'all looking for something to watch on Netflix, those two movies are really good. I mean, they're scary, but they're good. They Autopsy of Jane Doe, though. Speaking of movies, Us. I'm ready to see
Then
that.
it started raining last night and made me think of that movie.
Honestly, I haven't had any dreams lately. But my very last dream I had, like, I remember it vividly. Like, it's crazy that I dreamed of stuff that are my dreams in reality.
That's what I
know?
just said. Yeah. This
That's
is
what
so
you
crazy.
said.
No, not just now, but
Oh.
earlier today.
Oh, like my dreams that I've been having, like my last recent dreams that I remember vividly, because I guess we dream every night, but we don't remember it.
Yeah.
We do.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because, like, honestly, when you think about it, dreams that you remember, well, this way I think of it, it's like messages and reoccurring. Like, it's a message. It's not like just,
A random dream.
yeah.
Yeah.
But my dreams that I've been recently having is like stuff I write down. Basically, my aspirations and dreams in life for myself. And it's coming true in my dreams.
Yes. That is so crazy. That's what happened to me too.
So, something
That's
comes.
good.
There's something good coming at that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
That been happening to me that like last year. They used to happen all the time. And I thought I was going crazy.
Yeah.
Because I used to see things. I'd be like, I know I've seen this before.
Right. Like Deja Vu or something. Speaking of Deja Vu, shout out to Deja Monet on Instagram.
Okay. What is that?
I need to finish doing my food because I know I choked on. Shout out to my twin, my big sister, my role model. Y'all go follow her on Instagram at Deja Monet. She do lashes. She has a Valentine's Day special coming up. Check my Instagram. It's on my story highlights. Check hers. All the details are there. And she dropping new strips. So, ladies, go get your lashes. If you ain't Dialed by Dage, then, yeah, what are you? What are you? So go check my girl out.
Go check her out.
For real. So that's my
Plug.
I think I'm gonna start doing my plug. But I think I'm gonna start doing inspirational woman of the week.
Okay.
That's
So
what's up.
my very first one since I'm starting this is Deja Monet Lewis, my big sister. I love you so much. Yes. And I think I'm gonna put it. Oh, I'm gonna put it on my Instagram because I don't know if I want to feature everybody on my YouTube video, but I'm gonna make a post about people and stuff. That's really what I want to get into, uplifting other women.
Yeah.
Because I feel like it's just a dog world out here.
For real.
For what? We all can be great. Like that quote, another what was it? Like, okay, take this as an example. You know, like I'm pretty sure your parents light up your candles on your birthday cake. They literally take one candle to light up the other candles, and it don't lose its flame. And if it does, you could just relight it. So I'm just like, it never goes out. No, for real. Like, for real. I don't know. I don't like being in competition. For what? You trying to be in competition with yourself.
Like I said, well, we could all win together.
Right.
Exactly.
You know, it's hard out there.
It is. It really is.
I'm happy y'all decided to pack up.
Because I'm getting full. But it was good. I'm gonna probably just save it and just put it in the oven.
My eyes are bigger than my stomach.
Oh my god. But this food was good. Really, really good. But this not the end of the mukbang. Of course it's not.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry, y'all.
So.
Can I put this in there?
Mm-hmm. You know this? Okay. Okay. What are we gonna talk about now?
Where they go?
I think I'm gonna talk about the big R word.
It's the big R word.
Big R word.
The big
Respect.
R word. Oh, there are a lot of big R words now in media. But I'm talking about that is also amongst our generation, but the long R word, the big R word.
Relationship.
Yep. Ever since so I have a relational communications class.
It's a good class, y'all.
It
That's
is
my favorite class.
Great class.
Well, I used to take that.
Yeah, so basically what she was saying, like, basically if a relationship doesn't work out, then the way the author of the book kind of looks at relationship is a shopping list. So, like, of course, if you go to a grocery store, you're not going to buy stuff you don't like.
Right.
So, say for instance, you go to Walmart.
I like that. I see where you're going.
Yeah, say for instance, you go to Walmart. This is a different lens from grocery store. Say you go, well, you can get grocery store at Walmart, right? But say you go to Walmart and we all have bought something that, just didn't work out. We're able to return it. So that just goes to say, like, if it doesn't work out, you can always return it.
Yeah, I like that.
Like, don't try to. That's what I would do.
Something.
Yeah. Yeah, so if it doesn't, just return it. I don't mean that in a, like, very harsh way, but return it.
Because you'll grow from it.
But also, just because that product didn't meet your needs, there is one out there that will.
Okay, period.
Yeah. That's my outlook on relationships now.
I thought you were going to say something else, but I really like
It used to be totally different.
Yeah.
That's why you thought I was going to say something else. Because it used to be totally different.
I'm talking about the grocery store. But yeah, you right.
What?
No, go ahead.
What? You talking about every single time I go to Walmart?
No.
Oh.
Just go ahead, and I'm going to say what I got to say later.
That's all I was going to say.
No, I like that though.
Yeah. But I really like that relational communication class because when I used to think of relationships, I thought of it romantically. Like boyfriend, girlfriend type. But relationships, like, that goes hand in hand with friendships, parents, family. It's just not, romantic.
Yeah,
like, you can have expectations in relationship.
It's many different elements.
But also, I did tweet the other day about expectations. My Asia told me this the other day. If you watching this, Asia, this really stuck with me. Expectations will disappoint you before people will.
Okay.
So like for real, that is really deep because it's like I feel like sometimes we don't voice what we expect from people. Like, we should be thorough. Not from the beginning, but I feel like as the more you get to know somebody, you realize what you like and what you don't like. So, What do you think?
The more
Should you?
you open
What,
up.
so okay, once you get to know somebody and you figure out things that you like and don't like, I know some people say like accept them for who they are or don't at all. Like if it's something like name something that you don't like. Now we talking about like in a romantic relationship, like with a guy
I
or
don't like
with
when
a
somebody
significant
lies
other.
to me.
When somebody lies to you.
Yeah.
So like, but say that's the only thing that you don't like.
That's a deal breaker for me though.
Name something else, cause that's yeah. I would say that is a deal breaker. I think that's a deal breaker for
Okay,
everybody.
Like you want me to go like physically?
Something that can be altered, and how would you go around about telling
Somebody's
them to change
attitude.
it? Okay, so how would you tell them to change it? Like once they like spaz out on you or something?
Get it together. Because I'm the wrong person to spaz out on in a relationship. I'll look at you like you crazy.
That's another thing.
Like,
I don't like when people use that. I think it's an excuse when you say that's just how I am.
Yeah, no, baby, you could change it. Okay.
Okay.
Because you wasn't like that when you were out the womb, was you? Oh, okay. Thought so.
So what would you got to say?
I'm just listening.
That's all I got. I'm trying to think of something else.
I like that
I want
expectation.
somebody to respect me.
To what?
Yeah.
To respect me.
Respect is amazing. Oops, sorry.
Yeah.
Respect is a major thing.
Yeah, I think that's what anything. I guess. I'm trying to see how I can word this.
Just say it.
Okay, so this is from anybody, like anybody at all. We have to have cause I'm an introvert. A lot of people don't know, but I'm an introvert. Like if I want some time to myself, you don't get mad. I guess that goes with respect.
Yeah. And also self-care. I have learned a lot.
Yes,
about
self-care.
that. I've learned about that because before,
I mean,
I'm
like,
not even using 2019 as an excuse, but really before 2019, I used to put everybody before myself.
Okay.
Okay, so being selfless. Like, do you have any friends that are selfless? I mean, selfish?
Yeah.
That's what I feel like literally in friend groups. Well, I have friend groups where it's a lot of people that's selfless, but sometimes when it's like a large group of people, it tends to only be like a few selfless people.
Yeah.
And it falls back on them. So, yeah, I'm about to be selfish.
And see, it's not even selfish. It's just I've been selfless my whole life.
Yeah.
I've been caring for other people, doing stuff, even if it means I have to do something I wanted to do, but I just have to do it because, I have to put my needs out the way. Yes, I have to compromise. And I used to do that all the time.
And I did that unknowingly.
Yes.
Like, it's been really recent. Someone pointed it out to me that basically I taught them how to be selfless. But, like, it's like, how am I teaching you to be selfless when I didn't realize I was selfless like that. And it reflected on them. So, I mean, it's a good characteristic, but I feel like you should know when to be selfless.
Yeah, selfish.
And when to be selfless as well, too.
Yeah. You don't need to be that all the time.
Yeah, like, it's a
It
time
can
and place
hurt
to
you.
be selfless.
Yeah, it can hurt you.
Yeah.
Because I feel like if you focus too much on like other people, then you can't really grow for yourself.
Yeah, you don't have time for yourself.
Yeah.
And we at this age where we trying to find ourselves and we trying to figure out what we want to do. And if we put in time and energy into other people, it's just like we still stuck and ain't growing.
I'm finding us.
Yeah.
We like what 2021. We ain't getting no younger.
We just getting older.
Okay, it's time.
Older and wiser.
Know who we are.
Okay, I have a dilemma.
What's your dilemma?
I have a Thursday class. My Thursday class, which today is Thursday, But if y'all watching now, it might be Saturday, Sunday, depending on when I edit it. But, so I have a Thursday class from 5:30 to 8:20. My birthday is on a Thursday.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm turning 21. Yeah. And I don't have a Friday class. So it's like, honestly, I know what people gonna comment and say, go to the club, da 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 da. That's not what I'm on. Like, I really want to. What should I do?
I think you should throw a little something here. Do you want to skip that class? Let that be my first question. Do you want to skip that class?
I mean, I have a free pass, but this is the thing.
You don't know what's gonna happen.
We don't have class the week before.
Yeah.
Like the 7th. I mean, no, the 4th. We don't have
and I
classes.
think the week before that is
spring break. So luckily, my sister's taking me to Daytona the first weekend of April. Really, it's a Thursday to Sunday trip. But I really want to do something on my birthday. Because, I mean, even when I go to Daytona, I'm not going to be able to sip. But, yeah, I don't know.
Oh.
Right! But no, this is another thing. I left this part out. So I told y'all I got 3 classes on Thursday, right? Mm-hmm. My last class before that class is with the same professor.
Yeah. So she's gonna skip all day. And she's very because she called out on somebody that had her class earlier today.
I think I'm just tell her it's gonna be my 21st, and I mean,
yeah.
But y'all throw some ideas. I mean, I already got some.
I don't know.
Even if I don't do nothing, I got some fit ideas. So,
what do you want to do? You want to have a dinner?
Honestly, I want to go. I know this sounds so extreme. But I guess this is a want. We usually only get things we want. I just want somebody to take me on a trip. I mean, I'm going to Daytona, but
a boo thing.
Yeah, but I'm grown and so I can't do that. That's a short turnaround time.
What time? What
April.
Oh yeah.
Short
turnaround
time.
But I forgot what month it was.
It's fine.
I mean, unless somebody hit you up tomorrow.
I still won't be traveling nowhere with nobody.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go on a friend trip?
That's what I'm thinking too, but I don't know where. But also, I honestly might just do dinner. Or I was talking about a kickback and do an Airbnb or something. But, I mean, if I do an Airbnb, that's somebody else's house. And y'all gonna have to be respectful if y'all plan on coming to my kickback. Yeah. But I don't want to call it a kickback because kickback is, more chill. I want, a party. But I don't want no club party. You know what I'm saying? I don't want no club party.
Y'all turned 21 before me, though. That's the problem.
Y'all
this is really nice.
This
is a really nice place to go to.
I don't know what to do.
That's what you talk about.
No, but I heard that place is good. I haven't been yet.
I don't know what to do.
I turned 21 in September, and Danny's already 21. You about to turn 21 in April. Kyle about to turn 21 in July.
April 11th, 24/7. What's the 4/11? Me.
No, for real.
Oh, man.
But no, for real, y'all. I'm telling y'all, be prepared. I got a whole list of captions, but I don't pick one. Well, who says that? I can pick one. I could post 21 times on that day.
No, you could.
But that's kind of cliche, and I don't know.
That would be cool.
But I really been looking at outfits and stuff.
What do you want to wear? Okay, wait. What's the weather gonna be like then?
I don't know, but just know I'm gonna be.
Okay, period.
But
wow,
I don't know. Past 2 years, I've been on this jumpsuit wave. But I don't know if I want to do a jumpsuit.
That was a pretty jumpsuit. Right?
That was my 19th. I did a romper. Last year I did a jumpsuit. And this year, do I want to do a jumpsuit?
No,
I was going to do a dress. I'm going to show y'all the dress I was thinking about. Because I don't want to describe it up here. And then I'm talking about it. I describe it. And boom, I see somebody on my Instagram with my birthday fit.
Okay.
But I don't know how I want to do my hair either. I don't know if I'm gonna get my hair dyed or if I want to
Get a wig.
do a sew-in. If I get like, I don't think I could do a wig. I'm gonna have to do a sew-in, especially for the party. No, city girls, come on. Free JT.
Period. And she get out next month.
Oh
I
snap!
can't wait.
She gonna be here tomorrow.
Okay.
That's crazy. But I don't know what to do. So please drop some suggestions. Like, just don't watch the video and don't drop.
Comment below.
Don't watch the video without dropping suggestions. Is what I meant to say.
Comment below.
Well, we had 35 minutes.
Yeah, I was looking for that this whole time. I didn't know like where it was.
Okay. So, I mean, we should do another mukbang.
This was fun.
Mukbang.
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 Mukbang. Mukbang. Mukbang. Mukbang. Mukbang. Mukbang. But it was really fun. I'm really full though.
I am.
We're probably about to just talk more off camera. So,
Some tea.
yeah. Honestly, if we really got deep into like conversation, I would have started story times. Like this video would probably be an hour.
Yeah.
So if y'all wanted to see story times, I will give y'all a story time because I have some very interesting story times. I think all of us do. Yeah.
We're all interesting people.
Yeah. So with that being said, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and follow all my social medias down below in the description box.
You can't even see my finger.
And I hope y'all enjoyed my first mukbang. And
Mukbang.
thanks for watching.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.